Hello and welcome to the tutorial of a first spring flower, which is looking like this. It's have one leaf and it's quite 3D, all crocheted and very easy to make. You can use any kind of wool and any fitting hook. So for the start we have to chain 56. So that's a slip knot, and let's start chaining. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. What's that? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's our chain. So now we have to stitch into the second chain. So 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet to every stitch till the end of the row. So in all of our chains we need to do 1 single crochet, and we're gonna end up with 55 single crochets. This is the end of my row. Now I turn my work, I'm chaining 1 and I'm making this stitch, which is a double crochet, 2 chains, and a double crochet to same stitch. Now I'm just gonna skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet into the second stitch, a chain of 2, and add a double crochet into the same stitch as previously. No chains, skip 1, double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet to the same one. And this pattern we have to repeat to the very end of our row again. I'll meet you in the end to show you how to proceed. Let me just finish this stitch. Great. So I'm at the end of my work. That's how it looks like. I'm left with 2 false stitches to the end. So that's a first double, 2 chains, and a second double, and skipping 1, first double, two chains, and second double. Now I have to chain 1, turn my work around, and now 7 double crochet into the last row chain 2 space. So in that space, which is left after 2 chains, we need to double crochet 7 double crochets, if it making sense. When you finish with that, we need to make 1 single crochet into the very next little space, this one here. Okay, in the next space we doing 7 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a single crochet into the next space, and continue this pattern till the end of the row. Let's make just another one. So 1, 2, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, and 7 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So now our work is already turning. I'm in the end of my row now. I'm left with the last chain 2 space. So 1, 2, something is wrong with the camera. Oh, that's better. 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and now we need to slip stitch and tie it off. That's it. Our flower is done. Now the only thing which we have to do to make it look like a flower is to roll the work all together, so you can see the petals and the bottom. So if we roll it up in this way, we can see already the flower, and later on we can tie it up together using hot glue, or sew it up together, or even crochet it all together. It's all up to you, how you prefer, how you feel more comfortable. I do prefer to use a hot glue because it's really fastening it very well, and you cannot see it so bad. So we do that, sewing our hot glue, tightening up in that space there. So that's how our flower is gonna look like. Okay, let's start to make a leaf. So for the leaf we need to chain 12. So that's our slip knot. Now let's chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now into the third stitch we need to work half double crochet. Into the next stitch half double crochet, into the next stitch double crochet, into the next stitch double crochet, and now triple crochet, and we do that triple crochet at the end of the row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the last chain we need to triple crochet 7 of the triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'almost ran away from me, 7. So that's our 7 triple crochet. It's making it nice and round on the bottom. Now we need to make 3 triple crochet, triple crochet, sorry. 1 and 2 and 3, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1/2 double crochet, and now slip stitch to the very first chain which we made and wave in the end. So slip stitch, cut it off, and the yarn which is left just wave in the middle, so it looks like it's a part of the leaf itself. So from the bottom, that's what I'm doing. Just don't make it the first wave in too tight, otherwise it's gonna look like somebody cutted the leaf in two. Great, and that's how our leaf is looking like. Just stretch it up a bit to make sure that the shape is correct. And that's it. Now you can attach your leaf to the flower with a hot glue, or you can sew it up together to the bottom, like this. Yep. And ta-da! Everything's ready. So thank you for watching today, and hope to see you again. Bye!